Okay everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm making Brussels sprout. I cut them in half. They're getting kind of weird because I had them for about a week in the fridge, but I'm gonna make them today. And I roasted some garlic. To roast the garlic, I cut the top of it and poured some olive oil, and I put it in the oven at 350 for about an hour. Believe it or not, this little thing for an hour. It has a really ugly one here, but we'll take that one out. Okay, so I'm gonna take the garlics out of the skin. Okay, so I already took the peel off the garlic, and since it's roasted, it's pretty soft. Could have roasted it a little bit more, but it's fine. I'm gonna smash them a little bit. Once you roast them, they taste sweet. This was like 3/4 of a garlic. It wasn't an entire head of garlic. So you smash them a little bit, cut them up a little bit. We're gonna put the Brussels sprouts inside this bowl. Add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, some pepper, and mix them as we go. Salt, and it calls for Italian seasoning. I looked all over the shelves in the market and I did not see the Italian seasoning. I know they have it at that supermarket, but apparently they were out of, I don't know. So I'm using the complete seasoning, sazon completo. That's what I'm using. Sure, it's not going to be much of a difference. Oh, it also called for zest of a lemon. Yesterday I used the lemon in something else, and so it's not going to have the lemon zest. We're going to add the garlic now. Remember, this garlic doesn't taste like the harsh taste of the garlic. It's like sweet because it's roasted. And Parmesan, a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And let's mix everything. Today is using hand day. So I have a tray, a big tray, and I put some parchment paper on it, and we're just gonna spread it out here. Spread them out. We're gonna put it in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. I'm gonna put it in the little toaster oven because I have the meatloaf in here. Okay, so the Brussels sprouts are ready. They look delicious with that cheese melted all over. And I'm gonna put them on another plate. Wow, nice and cheesy. Okay, so there you have them. Brussels sprouts. Easy to make, doesn't take long at all. In the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. with cheese, roasted garlic, and that's about it. Try it and see if you like it, something different. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and may God bless you.